Hello, everyone, and welcome back to New Art Network. Today, we're going to be talking about some new developments in the tech world and some exciting news to the fans that are looking forward to the new Apple iPhone 12 that is aiming to launch this fall of 2020. News reports have just come out with some new sketches that were received with insider knowledge on the iPhone 12's final design, all around functions, and what the camera can do and will look like. From what has emerged recently for the final mockups that are making the rounds right now, before official cases are going to be made, we're seeing a modified version of the camera arrangement, which we all are familiar with the iPhone 11 Pro models, featured with the three camera setup. Now on the 12, it is showing a two top, two bottom grouping that will feature some tech that has been introduced by the new iPad Pro from this year, which is the LiDAR scanner, which will be included most likely on the Pro models of this year's phone. I've seen some videos and a few highlights of what the LiDAR can do and can only imagine how it can be used for the new cameras and other functions. Also notably is the smaller notch on the iPhone 12. Personally, I wish they would have done away with it completely this year, as it would give the screen more real estate for viewing and other functions and just a complete refresh of the identity of the phone. I think Apple is unfortunately behind in development as far as the technology goes, with introducing a notchless Face ID and Touch ID as one into the screen. Yet that can come with next year's iterations of the phone, and as you can see here, that would just be something awesome that I think we all would love and just look forward to having, once it drops. So yes, I feel that this new iPhone that's coming out this year may not be the groundbreaking model we all want or wish we had this year, but it will be a nice step in a new direction with new features set to be released onto this model with upgrades such as a 5G connectivity, a possible 4 camera layout with greater processing and even better professional quality photography and video than the industry leader right now with iPhone 11 models currently, and also a redesign of the chassis, which seems to be returning to the iPhone 5 styling, which looks pretty sleek and cool. There's also the possibility of introducing USB-C finally to this year's model as well. And last but not least, iOS 14, which is going to start emerging even more with some brand new functions, most notably the widgets, which will definitely be nice to see and use. Also, there's been some rumblings and updates stating that the AirPod X, not the Lite models, will be looking to come out later this year and start branding itself into the main option for music listening instead of Beats, which has been a main option for years on Apple devices, which they plan to phase out with the technology on the Beats, the marketing promotions and grouping most likely, and make it the main software, which would be better use and adaptability when the AirPod X models come out. So soon actual more mockups will come out in the final iPhone 12 models, and maybe I'll get my hands on one and give you all a review, which, will be awesome if that happens. Until then, thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe as I will be sharing more content in the art, music, and tech fields with you all. Thank you, stay safe, and peace.